Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I know it's really windy right now, but today I wanted to show you guys how to pollinate or hand pollinate a cucumber. So you can see, so first of all, cucumbers have two different flowers for male and female. So they have so this would be a female flower because there's a fruit at the base, and right there is your male flower because there's no fruit at the base. So why would you hand pollinate? So you probably want to hand pollinate if you don't have enough bees in your area, or for whatever reason you're noticing that your fruits are dropping or they're not turning into mature fruit. So usually bees will pollinate your plants for you, so they'll go on the male flower and back to the female and back and forth, and that's how bees help pollinate our vegetable flowers or fruit flowers. But if you don't have a lot of bees around you, again, or if your fruits are not developing, you may want to assist the plants by hand pollinating. The first step would be collecting your male flower. So I'm just gonna pluck it. So this one is not looking really good. It looks really dry. So I'm gonna try to get a fresh male flower. So if you look at both of them, so this is the first one that I plucked and this is the second one. And I'm picking this one because it just looks more open and looks fresh. Because flowers open and close, the ones that are closing have been open or are older, versus the ones that are freshly open, which are new. So what you want to do is remove the leaves just to assist with collecting the pollen or reaching the pollen. So you could also use a makeup brush for this, a tiny makeup brush, but I just want to do it this way. So in here is where you have your pollen. And what you want to do is transfer this pollen onto your female female cucumber flower. And that is exactly how you hand pollinate your cucumber plants or flowers. So just to give you guys an example of a plant that would not rely or doesn't need to be pollinated is a tomato. So it has both the female and the male reproductive system on the same flower. So all it needs is a little bit of like something to shake it to get it to mix, and it doesn't need like pollen transfer from one flower to another. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.